Hello family, and welcome back to It's Gotta Be Done. Guys, welcome. If you don't know, guys, on this channel I talk about all things health and well-being, and I like to bring you guys quick, simple, easy recipes to do. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be making Abacha. This is basically it, guys. I've washed, I've cleaned, I've soaked, and this is the end result. Guys, this is basically my parsley and coriander. I've shredded it. I've mixed it all together, and the next item that we have, it's a lot, but I'm not going to use all of it, guys, so don't be thinking I'm going to use all of that. I'm just going to save it for another recipe. And what I have here is I've got my ginger and my garlic, and then I've got my spring onion. Honestly, guys, I really didn't have any other type of onions. Honestly, I didn't. I've got some vegetable seasoning for a bit of flavor. And then I've got turmeric powder, because you know turmeric is super healthy, super healthy. And I have cracked black pepper, and this is all the ingredients that I will be using, guys. If you don't know, this is the Abacha that I got. This is how it came in a small packet, and I've boiled hot water, and then I've soaked it in hot water. I've let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, just so you know it can soften a bit, and then I've rinsed. I'm not sure if the color is meant to be like this, but you know, this is not straight from the motherland. This is all shipped over. And guys, let's get to cooking. I'm so sorry, guys, for some odd reasons I keep losing my clips, or I keep thinking that the recorder is on, but it's really not on. So I'm just going to talk you through where we at right now. So guys, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe if you like what you are seeing. Guys, as you've seen with the previous ingredients, so I use sesame seed oil to basically fry up the Abacha. So I've heated up the pan, and then I've poured in the sesame oil, then I've put in my spring onion, and I've lightly fried the spring onions. And then once I've done that, I've basically poured the Abacha, and then I've added the ginger and the garlic on top. I didn't really want to fry the garlic too much, but it's up to you how you do it, guys. As long as everything is blended well and it's all cooked, then that's fine. So I really don't even know what is happening to my clip, but I thought it was recording, but clearly not. There was a little bit left over, so there you go. I have to use all of it because the packet's not a lot that you get. But if you guys don't know, the reason why I've used turmeric powder is because turmeric is really potent, anti-inflammatory, and it's antioxidant, so it helps improve, well, they say, symptoms of depression. So it's really good for your health. And obviously sesame seed oil, guys, one of the reasons why I love using this oil is combating inflammation. And if you know about inflammation, that you know with this life, you know, we eat a lot of food that really inflames our gut, and you know, it's all about trying to keep the gut healthy. So that's the reason. And I'm just going to top it off now with my fresh herbs, coriander and parsley. I mixed them together, not a lot, and I'm just going to basically, literally with the cassava, guys, it's practically cook. As soon as I soaked it, it's done, and all I want to do is just gently fry it and make it a little bit crispy, and just coat everything together, and it's pretty much done. It is absolutely done. It takes no more than 5 minutes once you put it on the stove. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in the bowl now, and we're gonna just serve it up. Again, guys, the cassava, the Abacha that I've made, there's many different variations of how you can make it. Okay, guys, I did also add the vegetable seasoning for flavoring. If you don't want to add that, you can just add salt, and it does the work. Okay, and guys, it can be made in different variations, and you can eat this with chicken, fish, on its own, with egg, whatever you want to do, accompany this with, you can. But this is it, guys. This is what I've made. It's absolutely tasty. I've put a little tomatoes. You can eat this like that if you want. add whatever meat, fish you want to add to it, but it's absolutely delicious, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.